Hello traders, welcome to BloomFX. I just did for you the weekly analysis, and for a moment I will start with Euro USD. But before that, remember that last week was very difficult to trade because we had the US elections, and also for the USD pairs we had Friday the NFP. So for Euro USD on the weekly, as you can see, we had a very beautiful bullish candle, but in the same time for me, Euro USD on the weekly, it looks like it's in a consolidation. So for a moment, I can see that Euro USD, it may fall from 1.18900, and from here it may come back down again to 1.16427. If the price is gonna break again this area and it's gonna close above it's gonna close under 1.16107, then the price it may continue to fall to 1.13394. I'm saying this because also here we have these two rejections, and that means that the price created here a resistance, so the price may come back down again here. If the price it's gonna close above 1.16500, that means that the price is gonna come back up again and it's gonna retest 1.18030. So for a moment this I can see on Euro USD, and if you see any confirmation for a sell, take it. Let's go to another pair. Let's go to EURJPY. For EURJPY, it looks like it's in an uptrend, but it came back down again to retest again this area. Now the price is trying to create a support, and next week I'm expecting the price to come back up again to 123.364, and from here, if the price is going to break it, then it's going to come back up again to retest this area also, where as you can see, the price created here a resistance and here a support. So that means that the price it may come back up again to 124.896. If the price cannot break this area, then if we have any confirmation under 123.1156, that means that the price is going to reject this area and it's going to come back to 122.200, let's say. So next week look for a buy for EURJPY. Let's go to USDJPY. For USDJPY, we have also here on the weekly big bearish candle. For this one, I can see a rejection around this area at 103.234, and from here the price to create a support and to come back up again to retest this area at 105.125. If it's going to break this area, then it's going to come back to retest again where we have the Fibonacci retracement at 0.5 at 106.389. If the price cannot break this area to come back up again, then the price is going to reject it and it's going to come back down to 101.084. I'm saying this because also the price may fail this week, and it did almost half of the week. So I'm expecting the price to come back again, retest, and then come back down again. So for USDJPY next week, look for a buy. Let's go to another pair, Euro Swiss franc. For this one, I can see a buy, and I'm expecting the price to create a support around 1.06898. And from here the price to retest again this area at 1.08179, where if you look closer here the price it rejected this area. So for this pair, look for a buy. Let's go to another one, USDCAD. For USDCAD, for this pair I can see that still it's in a range, even if this chart it's on the monthly. So last month the the candle was very little, and then this candle started very bearish, but in the same time I can see that it's in a big range. And also here the price came back up and came back down. That means that this was a fake out, and now I'm expecting the price to reject this area at 1.30 what is this, 1.3387, and from here to create a support and to come back up again to retest this area at 1.35107. So it's still gonna play in this area, but I can see a buy for USDCAD. Let's go further. USD Swiss franc. For this one, again, I can see that the price is going to reject this area at 0.911. And from here, the price to retest again this area at 1.91640. So for this one, look also for buys. Also, this pair for me looks like it's in a range area on the weekly. And here rejected a lot this area, then came back up, created like a fake out, then came back down, but it couldn't break either up or down. So I'm expecting next week for the price to come back up again. I told you to retest this area at 0.91, let's say 500, around this area. AUD USD. For AUD USD, we have this beautiful bullish candle on the weekly, and I am expecting to reject this area at 0.72641, and from here to retest again this area at 0.70200. I'm saying this because for me, I have put it also a trend line, and it's gonna reject this area, and it's gonna come back down to retest again this zone where we have this big support. Here we have this rejection, and also here rejection, and also here rejection. So I think that the price, it may reject and it's gonna come back down again. Also, this one looks like it's in a range, and here just created like a fake out. So for this pair, for AUD USD, look for sales, but only when you have the confirmation. Let's go to another one, to CADJPY. CADJPY, I can see that it's going down. Also, it's rejecting from 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, and I'm expecting this pair to come back down again to 760.400. And also for this one, just wait to give you the confirmation, because the price may come back up again to 79183, let's say, to retest again this area, and then the price to continue to fall. So only when you have confirmations, please take a buy or a sell. So if you want to know more, and if you want to have everyday profitable signals, don't hesitate and go to Instagram on BloomFX Signals, and there you have the link in bio, and you can subscribe and go directly to the group, on the Telegram group, and there I can send everyday free signals for everyone. So if you liked my analysis, please give a like. If you find it these ideas useful, and see you tomorrow when we will start a new week. I really hope to be very profitable, because last week I didn't give too many signals because I didn't have the opportunity, and I didn't want to risk too much our money, and also we don't like to lose. So I prefer to wait a little bit and to give me, I don't know, some pairs to give me the best confirmation, and then to take a buy or a sell. So thank you so much for watching, and don't overtrade.